Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you have been with me for a while. I appreciate you all. Today I have for you guys, that's Thrift-a-Bag. So I don't remember how much this box is a month. I will put it on the screen. If you remember when I got this box last month, I wasn't completely happy with it, but I emailed customer service and to see if I could get the box more customized to me. And they asked a few questions and I answered them, but then I never got a response. So I'm hoping that they got that email. But this box will determine if I actually keep going with this box or if I decide to cancel. But Thrift-a-Bag is basically a box subscription service for high-end bags. And you get 3 high-end bags and you pay the flat rate, whatever that is. Again, I'll put that on the screen. Also, just real quick, there is a giveaway going on and I just announced the new aspect to that giveaway, so those will be linked down below, and there is other information in the description if you care to read it. Let's get into Thrift-a-Bag. So I open it up and this is what I see. Oh, and I do like this aspect of it. If you don't like one of the bags that you are getting, they have they send you a gift bag, so you're able to gift the bag to someone else. So I think that that's kind of neat. So this is the July box and it tells me what is in the box. So I'm looking at the names of the bags that I got here and it seems like maybe I was listened to a little bit. I don't know, kind of scared. Let's dig in here and find out. Okay, so this is cute. Ooh, I am pleasantly surprised with that. So this is, so it's completely encapsulated in this. So I'm going to open it up. Oh, this is cute. So it looks like this and it has a little beading and has little star details. However, it does look like it is missing 2 stars, one that would go here and one that would go here. You can see them here and here. So they just look like, it looks like a big enough gap to where it is missing a star here and missing a star there. Yep, and if I look close enough, I can see where there is glue. So there should have been stars there. That's unfortunate. I do think it is a very cute bag though, and it feels, I don't know what that feels like. It doesn't feel like leather. It doesn't smell like leather. Let's see. It's a Macy's. I believe this is the Macy's INC International Concepts Studded Star Carolyn Crossbody Clutch. And the value of it is $29. And it does have a strap. And I open it up and I look on the inside and it's just the typical clutch. It does have a little pocket there. And this is new with tags, apparently. But like I said, it is missing those 2 stars. But I mean, the inside looks really nice. And it does say that it was on sale for $29.13. So I like it. I'll keep it. I think it is a cute little clutch to add to my clutches that I have. Moving on. The next bag I am pulling out is a Bag & Nelly crinkle nylon crossbody cargo travel bag. And it retails for $25. Now I will say for this company, I do like the fact that they seal everything up. Everything smells new. but this is not my style. It's just a little too plain for me. It's like a canvas bag or whatever. I don't know. I will probably... Okay, so in the back, it unzips, and there are some pockets in there. And then it has the larger pocket, and it does have pink lining. It has a couple of... This video is not working out for me today. Okay, there we go. So it does have quite a few pockets on the inside. I think that that is cool. It's just not my type, so I will probably pass this bag along to my daughter because she is looking for things that can, I guess, take the place of a diaper bag that is just a little more stylish or whatnot. I mean, it's a pretty blue, and it actually feels like it would be waterproof. So I think that that would be cool to pass along to her. The last thing I am pulling out is a Michael Kors Gloria Leather Swing Pack Shoulder Bag, and it retails for $149. Now, okay, so I just recently mentioned, well, maybe it's not pink, maybe it's tan. It doesn't say what color it is. And I can't tell. I don't know. You tell me what color. Does that look tan to you guys, or does it look pink? I don't know. When I was looking at it in the box, it looks pink, but now that I'm looking at it in the light, I think it looks a little more tan. It does have a front pocket here. It does have a back pocket there. And I open it up on the inside, and it is new with tags. It did retail for $248, and then it was on sale for $148. But it's new with tags, and it kind of has that weird thrift smell to it, though. This one doesn't. And this one doesn't, but this one kind of has that weird thrift smell to it. Okay, so I do love me some Michael Kors. You guys know that. And it is new with tags. It's just not really my style. You know, I mean, you guys have seen the purses that I like. And it's just so plain. Like, if I were walking by the Michael Kors store, this is not a Michael Kors purse that I would pull off of the shelf for myself. And because it is new with tags, maybe I will gift it to somebody. I don't know. I'll stick it in my collection for a little while. Maybe it'll grow on me. I think that I will keep this Thrift-a-Bag for one more month. One more month, and that's it. I mean, this was about the same as the last one for me. I think I liked one bag, and I ended up giving the wallet thing to my daughter. She actually loved that. And then the Betsy Johnson backpack that will probably never get used. So this is kind of the same. I will definitely use this. I will pass this along to my daughter, but these two aren't worth the price of the box. I mean, this is $29 and the other one is $25. So for me, that's not worth the price of the box. This would be if it was my style, but it's just not really my style. I don't know. Like I said, I'll keep it for a little while. I'll see if it grows on me. If not, I will gift it to someone since it is still new with tags, and I'll go from there. I know I was kind of on the fence with this box, you guys, and I apologize if it doesn't seem 100% positive. I don't know, I'm just really unsure about this box. So I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.